Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A03 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using a Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Connections. Now click on this gray sweater next to Bluetooth feature in order to activate it. Now tap on Bluetooth and wait for available devices to show. When they do, click on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. In order to disconnect them, tap on this gear icon next to the device and choose Unpair at the bottom right corner. Then click on Unpair in the pop-up. You can always connect to the same one by tapping on it and selecting Pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!